Hello everybody, welcome to Compospec. Compospec is the new easiest way to collect your product about to write and all product details and UI specifications. So it is not canvas tool or spatial diagram tool. Let's see. You can see homepage, our dashboard, like dashboard. I have written about some contents about my products. Eight card is here and one flow here. You can see, click this and flows is here. You can see about your product module or user interface or section, component, element, and free node. Let's see. For example, we have some financial tool, fintech tool, and we want to write about product needs or UI specifications. Click this create button. You can see product module, user interface, section, component, element, and free node, hierarchically and categorized and structures. Uh, so I want to write some element and contacts, contacts element and about some details I can write here and some attachment or upload or text edit here and you can use your library any image for upload. Create button, let's click create button and you will see as a card these all details. For example, last content is here, and you can link other cards and other category and type. Uh, we see about product or module or user interface, quick transfer screen or other sections, and includes other components. This includes other elements. This last details contacts element is here. You can view and double click and you can edit, update or cancel. So I want to link this card other category hierarchically and for structure. So click this footer area and I can see other parent category, module or interface or section or component. I can link, connect because all components include some elements, all sections includes some uh, components. So contact picker I can see and drag and drop this row and this message parent child link. Yes, I want to link this element to this component to link, create a link, and you can see automatically the user flow diagram. Zoom. Our pet is here. Product is Apollo FinTech, money transfer module, and quick transfer screen, and recipient details, contact picker, and last detail contact element details are here. So all flow you can see the main menu flows. Click and one product. We have a one product, and all diagram is here. Product and expand module and UI and some section. This UI cover these sections and this section expand component currency selector and recipient details contact picker and last element is here. All diagram is here and automatically parent child and relation. So you can see all details homepage like dashboard. This output is ready for AI tools, no-code AI tools like prompt. So all cards like prompts you can use and search all cards or all flows. For example, all cards I can search some keyword and search. You can see all details as a card here. View and edit. And Compospec is this. It is not canvas tool or not diagram tool. Only focused product needs and UI specifications like AI ready output like prompt and uh, mobile version is ready. You can use. Thank you.